Moin, I'm Geert Dijs, and I'm on a mission to make design easier to learn for everyone. For this purpose, I want to create a library here on YouTube containing short videos describing as many design topics as possible. This channel will focus mainly on game design, but the overall goal is to build up a better understanding of how design functions in general. So these videos should help with other applications of design as well, like product design or user experiences. Each video will focus on an easily digestible bit of information, but will also encourage you to dive deeper into the topic. Who am I to be in a position to talk about all of this, you might ask? I'm a professional game designer and have been working in this industry for more than 10 years. Titles I helped create include Horizon Call of the Mountain and Sea of Thieves, and I have experience with both AAA and indie development. I've also created over 15 Game Jam projects, so feel free to evaluate this as you see fit. Now, this does certainly not make me immune to mistakes, and this is where I will rely on you folks to correct me. Together, we will make design more accessible for everybody. Feel free to engage in conversation on each video. I will try to answer any question that comes my way and aim to help you with any design issues you might encounter. And with this, I wish you a great day, and we will meet again in any video that piques your interest.